here to show you a box. But do you know what's inside of it? If you want to know, just stay tuned. So, are you excited to see what's inside the box?
Yes.
Yes, so, well, open the box now. I'm gonna show you what's inside the box. Are you excited? Did you? So, here's what's inside the box.
Wow.
Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da! It's a cake!
Favorite.
It's actually a tiramisu flavor and we ordered it from Gateau. And I want to show you the phone number and then their address, so that just in case you guys want to order this one. So before anything else, before we're gonna review this cake, I just wanna tell you how we order it, because since it's pandemic, we ordered it online through Uber Eats. So this cake is a tiramisu and we wanna try how good it is. So here we go, we're gonna try it now. Let's see, how does it taste? Wanna have some?
Of course.
Look like you're hungry. Okay, I'm gonna slice it now. And me and my husband will try it. We just bought it at the bakery because their cakes look so good and we are craving for sweet. So we ordered this tiramisu to try. So here you go. I wanna give some for you, my dear. Okay, let me try it first. Oh God, so good. So soft and so... Here you go, try it. It's good, right?
Yeah. It blends very well. I mean
the coffee and the sweetness. Yeah. It's not too sweet.
Not
and
too
it's
sweet. Tastes like there's some like coffee. And I mean, the taste is really good. I mean, very delicious.
It is
hard to
good.
Say it in words.
You should try it. You should try it, guys. See, the layer of the cake has a mousse on top, and there's a little like there's a cake at the bottom, and a coffee, like a mocha powder or cocoa on top of it, and it's so good. It's so soft, and it's really good. It's not. It doesn't taste so sweet. It's perfect. Wanna have something, eh? Yeah.
One of the best cake I've ever tasted.
Yeah, it is good. It is delicious. Super.
How much is that in the...
So we ordered it from the Uber. So this is a 6 of cake, and it costs $31 plus tax, and of course, you know, like you have to plus the tip and the delivery. So as I compute, like I think it's like 35 something, but if you do it like in peso, which is in Philippine money, it costs like about 1,292 something, but it's really good. It tastes good. So guys, If you wanna try it, it's worth for the price. Yeah. I'll show you again where you can order this one. It tastes so good.
Try this flavor too, and you'll see for yourself.
Yeah, the tiramisu. This is a tiramisu cake.
The best tiramisu.
Yeah, and that's it. We just want to share you how does this cake taste.
Yeah. So for our final thoughts, Gateau,
and thank you guys for watching. And shout out to all the one who subscribed to our channel.
Yeah. Thank you for the subscription.
Thank you for your support.
Thank you for your support.
Hopefully you like all of our videos, and we will make more for you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You want some? Oh, I think he loves it. So that's it for now. See you in our next vlog. Bye. Bye.